You guys see it? A little dirty, you know, don't judge me. I just literally washed it 2 days ago, or had it washed, and already did a little something last night. Went to a little shootout. That video is gonna be dropping soon, so stay tuned for that. And it was a little dusty out there. We got a little something planned, man. Actually, before we go up in there with the red guts, let's come around over here, give you guys a nice little cold start. Guys, I'm gonna let that run for a little while because I don't like to turn it on and then just turn it right off right away. But close that up in the meantime. But yeah, what's going on? We got another mod for you guys today, man. Let me go ahead and shut this off now. I think it's enough time there. But yeah, man, we got another mod, courtesy once again my brother Jose, man. This dude is something else, man. He sent me another mod. Yes, I don't know if you guys seen the video where he sent me like a lot of mods. Like, I'm talking about a lot. I already installed the intake he sent me. A dope intake, like one of the best ones you could get. He sent me, what else did I install? Oh, this pedal box right here. He sent me the pedal box. I installed that. And I drop videos to all that, so you guys go check that out. And he sent me some other stuff. I'm gonna be doing some giveaways on some of the other stuff he sent me, courtesy of my boy Jose, so stay tuned for that. If you didn't see any of the videos that I dropped already installing some of the stuff he gave me, go check that out. But today, as I was saying, he sent me something else, man, again. I need you guys to go show him some major love because he has a dope vehicle. One of the reasons he gave me all these mods is because he didn't need them anymore. He replaced all the stuff he had with carbon fiber mods, bro. Yeah, carbon fiber. This dude's on a different level. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to get to his level. That's the goals right there. I'm gonna put the link or whatever to his page on the screen, so you guys go check him out, show him love, because he's a dope individual and he has a dope car, super dope. But without further ado, before we get to showing you what the mod is and installing it, because we're doing the whole DIY and all that, I'm gonna need you guys to do me a favor, and if you enjoy the content, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, drop a comment down below, because it all helps tremendously in helping the channel to grow, and I appreciate that greatly, guys. So if you could do me that favor, I would greatly appreciate that. But yeah, man, without further ado, let's get right into it. I'm gonna show you guys what we're gonna be doing here today, show you what my boy sent me, and we're gonna get it done. All right, guys, so we got it right here. This is what my man Jose sent me, man. Let's check it out. You guys can see it. It says the Mopar, and boom, here it is, guys. You know, it doesn't seem like much, but you see how it's black right there? Once we get this red in here, it's just gonna set it off so much more, because you see I got the red guts on the interior, you know, and then you got the red little trimmings on the dash, a bunch of little red stuff all around, you know, and it's just gonna make it look that much better. So you guys see the before, see how it looks and all that, and then you're about to see how it looks after. So in order to do this, basically all we got to do is take this little trim here, take it off, this little bezel, and in order to do that, you're gonna need yourself some tools. Preferably you would have, you know, one of those little tools where you could get up in there and then just pry it out. Me, I don't have that, so I'm just gonna use this, which is like a little like pot cleaning type thing, you know what I'm saying? But I think it'll work. So we're just gonna get up in here, and you want to be careful not to mess up any of these clips or mess any of this bezel up. And all you want to do is get up in there and just pry it, try to pry it out. You can start up in the corner there, and there's a couple clips all around here, and you just want to boom, pop it out there just like so. So we got that part popped out. Boom. Seems like the bottom's coming out pretty easy, and you just want to go around and do that. You know, try to just pry it out. Take your time with it. Boom. Boom. Okay, that comes out pretty easy there. Top seems like it's gonna be a little harder to get out, but we gonna see.
2 hours later.
There we go. Getting a little hot up in here, so just open that. Just about got it. Boom. There's a couple more little clips in here. Boom. Top's a little harder to get off. We got the bottom off, it seems like. Just got to get the top now. There we go. You do got to give it a little bit of pressure. I ain't gonna lie, it's a little scary because it feels like it might just break, but you got to give it a good amount. That way you could get those little clips out of there. Ooh. Right, hopefully I didn't break none of those. And hopefully I didn't lose none of those. But there it is, guys. And a few of these things did fall, so hopefully I'll be able to find those. See those little clips there. But yeah, there it is. That's how you remove it. So we can just set that to the side there. And I'll look for those little clips in a minute. But yeah, so as you guys can see here, it has a couple little clips to get it out of there. So I'm pretty sure it's gonna be the same on there. 2 on top, 1 on the bottom. So basically just push those. Bottom, boom, got the bottom one off. Top one, a little harder to get to. There we go. Got that off. And as you guys can see, it's just connected right here. So just push this little part in and it should come right out. Boom, like that. So there you go. There's the stock push to start button right there. And we'll just take this little silver piece off there, and that'll go right on the new one. Boom, just like that. And then this thing here, there's only one way to put it in. So pretty easy, boom. And then we're just gonna put this right back up in there, and it should just snap right up in there. Yep, and it's good to go. Simple as that, guys. Boom, boom. And before we put everything back together, we'll just make sure it's working. As you can see, we got the dash coming on, we got the radio coming on, the nav and all that. This thing looks crazy without the bezel on it. Make sure it starts up. Yes, sir. Sounding good as ever. So we good to go. That's how you install it. So all I'm gonna do now is look for these little clips. A few of them dropped, so I'm gonna find those and I'll get back with you guys in a minute.
6.5 hours later.
All right, guys, so I lost a few of the clips. They fell down there in the dash, but you know, it's nothing too major. They should it should hold up just the same. So we're gonna go ahead and throw this thing back on there just the same way it was before, and we'll see if not having those 2 clips that I lost makes a difference. So basically what you want to do is just line it up, make sure it's good to go, and then just start applying pressure right there where those clips were. So boom, you can hear it snap back into place. Apply some good pressure there. Open that up because it's hot. Boom, and it goes back in pretty easily. And boom, it's back in there. And you never knew that I took it off, man. So you guys see it, there it is. You guys see the before, see how it looks and all that. Now this is the after with the red. Boom, man, I like it a lot better. It looks good, you know, goes with the red stitching and all the other little red trimmings, the red guts and all that, the red Niners, because you know it's Niners all day. So simple as that, guys. You know what I'm saying? All you had to do was remove this little bezel here, push in a few little clips right there, remove this, you know, take that out and put in the other one, man. Pretty damn simple. You know, it works, good to go, it looks good, matches the rest of the car now. And with this, you know, you could just save this for whatever, I guess. So this is you know, fairly cheap. I think it's about 60 bucks to get one of these. You can get it at Speed Logics or wherever else. You know, ain't no sponsors, but I'll help you guys out. But get it wherever you want. That's just one of the places that I know that has it. I didn't purchase this, like I said, my boy Jose got it for me. But it's a cheap mod that's gonna make a little difference, you know, and you feel good. You get to press the red button now. Get that, that's at least 10 to 15 extra horsepower. You know what I'm saying? So you can enjoy that as well.
Well, power, babe.
And yeah, man, I actually like it a lot. It looks dope. It sets off the rest of the red. You would think it's just a little thing, you know, you wouldn't think it makes that much of a difference, but it really does, man. It's the little things that matter, and that really does make a big difference. I like it a lot. So I hope that helped you guys out. Now you know how to take off the bezel, how to put it back on, and you know, if this is something that you're interested in, throwing a little extra touch to the interior, there it is right there. You guys know how to do it now. That's pretty much gonna do it for this one, guys. Real quick, to the point, just showing you guys how to do this little install. Once again, shout out to my man Jose. Go give him a follow, guys. Real cool, real down to earth, dope person. And like I said before, if you enjoy the content, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, drop a comment down below. Tell me what you guys want to see next. Tell me what I can improve on, and I'll go ahead and get it done for you guys without a doubt. That's gonna do it for this one. Who is LouieXIII checking out? Salute. I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. I ain't gonna lie, guys, I'm pretty hype about this new little addition right here, man. You know, you wouldn't think little things like that, like I said, make a huge difference, but it really does. Like when you're looking around in the cockpit, if you want to call it that, it looks real dope, man. It just sets it off. It's just a little thing, but it's red. It matches with the rest of the red, like I've been saying. You know, I'm hyped, man, so we got to take it on a little test drive. It starts up and all that. Everything is good. Cool, man. I like that. Appreciate you, Jose, big time, man. The red button start, you guys see it? A little different. And I'm gonna do something different, you know, since I just talked about how track mode might not be the best for your vehicle. You guys could go check that out if you like. I just dropped that. But I'm gonna keep it in auto, man. In my auto, I got the eco mode. So let's see how it sounds in eco. If you guys are interested to hear how the muffler delete sounds in eco mode, let's see if it still has a little kick to it. Give you guys a little extras, you know what I'm saying? The behind the scenes. I like to throw these little extra behind the scenes in there, you know, something like Marvel, you know, little giblets in there, little extra stuff just for the people who stick around to the end, you know, if they want to watch some extra stuff. That's what I do it for, man. And don't worry about the shorts. It's a hot ass day out here, you know what I'm saying? So we definitely had to get the shorts on. Yeah, we good to go, man. We are good to go. Let's get it. So that's how eco mode sounds. And I wasn't pushing on it all the way, but let's try sport now. We heard how eco mode sounds. Let's try the sport. Oh yeah. Yeah, you can definitely hear a little difference there. Sport sounds quite a bit better. We could throw it back in auto though. Yeah, it quiets down, man. It has that active exhaust to where it closes the valves, you know, so it's not as loud. So if you want to quiet it down a bit, you could do that. Just wait till I get them long tube headers in here, man. It's gonna be sounding a little bit different, you know. For those of you who stuck around, stay tuned, because them long tube headers might be on the way, man. I'm telling you guys. So we heard how sport sounds. Now let's see how track sounds. And I'm gonna just throw it straight into track. bit of a difference, and my dumbass didn't have my radar detector up. So let's go ahead and put that up. Heard it beeping in there. This thing was going a little crazy last night, man. We were in Mexico and it kept going off for some reason. I don't know, you guys will see that video coming out shortly. Went to a little shootout in the wild, wild west, you know, of Mexico. And it was pretty interesting, man. There's some pretty fast cars there, man. There's a vet, a cammed vet from Lompoc, around here where I live. It's called Lompoc. Raw Talent Motorsports, the vet and the Camaro, both cammed. The Camaro had nitrous. Those things get up in boogie, man. And there was a Talon there that, I don't know what the Talon had in it, but geez, that Talon moved. And the vet and the Camaro raced the Talon. The vet, well, I'm not gonna tell you guys anymore, man. I told you guys enough. You're gonna have to wait and see on that one. But yeah, man, and it was all digs too, for money. That's, you know, you guys know what a shootout is. If you know, you know. You go, you do digs, and it's all for money too. So they were throwing big money up there, and there was a lot of good runs, man. It was very interesting. My bad, I had the camera. Camera wasn't where I want it to be, or where I like it to be. Let me fix that for you guys real quick, man. Now you gonna see more of the legs. Don't mind the legs either, man. Be looking at my legs and shit. Y'all tripping. And I got the pedal box right here. I got it in stock mode. It's a mode that you could do with it. Like I said, dropped that video a while back if you guys want to go check it out. I'm rolling through the city with the damn with the damn GoPro on my head, looking like a fool for you guys out here. You hear it though? Yeah, it's hot. I gotta keep the window down, so sorry for the wind noise, guys, but it's hot, man. As you can tell, I got the shorts on. Hot as hell. It says it's only 66, but that thing must be tripping because it feels like 86. But we got it good where I'm from though. We got some good weather over here, I ain't gonna lie. Oh damn. One time for the one time. No, I had to do that. Damn, that dude was all up in his nose. But you guys see the difference, man. You see the little red tab down there? Got to get my phone out of the way now. Looking good, looking good. But big things on the way, guys. You guys got to stay tuned. We got some big stuff on the way. Like I said, I'm getting the long tube headers, the ported throttle body, and then I'm gonna slap the tune on there as well. And then after that, we going big cam, boys, baby. I don't know about a big cam, but said I don't know about a big cam, but we throwing a cam on there, you know what I'm saying? So we gonna be chopped up, you know? Yeah, I can't wait for that. I was gonna get the cam first, but you need a tune for a cam, so I thought I might as well get the long tube headers, get the ported throttle body. You don't need a tune for those, and then I'll get those, get the tune, and then I'll get the cam. And that way, you know, I'll let my tuner know that I'm getting the cam, and then I already have the tune, you know, he can send it over, do what he got to do, and then we'd be good to go, you know? But yeah, that's why you guys got to stick around till the end of the videos, man, if you're interested. Some people don't give a damn, you know, they don't care about little info like that, but you know, for those of you that do care about the little extra info that I might throw out at the end of these videos, that's why you got to stick around, because sometimes I be doing that. And not just like information and stuff, but sometimes I just throw in like funny little clips that I couldn't make the final cut and all that, you know, little bloopers and stuff. So that's why you just gotta stick around, man. I like to throw little stuff at the end. I never really seen any other YouTubers do that, so you know, it's something original from who is LouieXIII, man. But I think that's enough giblets that I gave you. That's enough little information. Nice little test drive. You know, seeing how it feels in here in the cockpit with the red push to start button, looking real good. I like it a lot. I ain't gonna lie to you guys, man. That thing looks good. But that's it for this one, guys. I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. Peace out. Appreciate you guys so much, more than you know, man. Deuces.